Are you a woman, 40 plus, are trying to lose weight, but you are on the perimenopausal or menopausal roller coaster? And you wonder if intermittent fasting would be the best choice for you, or what is actually the science of the weight loss. So here is a sneak peek into the amazing workshop that I created, and it's on the platform that you will have the link below. So in the science of the weight loss, you can actually for free download the ebook in English or in German with the 5 biggest weight loss mistakes that my clients make and how to avoid them. And I explain with each of them the mistake. Then get to the paying part, and it's all about intermittent fasting. 4-2-1 rule. How to break the fast. Can toothpaste or coffee also break the fast? And what are the drinks that are allowed? Why is building muscle important and what you need to do about it? And which supplements will help you to melt the fat? And maybe suppress the hunger that might be there if you are starting with the intermittent fasting. We are also going to look in the videos on thermogenesis. So what is thermogenesis? These are the strategies, non-dietary strategies that help to burn the white fat on the belly and turn it into brown fat. That's the one that you actually want to have. I recommend some book, food ideas, and there are plenty of videos and links that you can watch, and you can also track your progress. So what are you waiting for? Go and check it out.